Hey friends, if you wish to remove file type associations in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and go to registry editor. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer and file extensions. Now under this you will see all the file extensions that are available. If you wish to remove any one of them, like the doc one, simply right click on it and then select delete. That is how you can delete a file extension. And then obviously restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Once the computer has restarted, the type association will be removed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.